Namaste, Jai Bharat. Many people, for their own reasons, want Bharat to fall apart, break. Many people. For some, it is economic aspect. For some, it is revenge. For some, it is some other aspect. For some, it is to maintain their domination. On the one hand, somebody wanted a part of Bharat to be evangelized, northeast. Many Western European so-called people are interested in it. And for a nation like Pakistan, it's a question of revenge, because they think that Pakistan is divided further into today's so-called Bangladesh, useless people, I'll tell you, Bangladesh and Pakistan, because of Bharat. That's the first mistake they make. It's not because of Bharat that Pakistan is divided into, formerly it was East Pakistan, West Pakistan. It's not because of Bharat that East Pakistan became Bangladesh. It's because of the Pakistani doing and undoing that the people in East Pakistan felt neglected. Then when they won the elections, the elections had no significance in Pakistan, obviously, for all time. When they won the elections, they had the majority, and Mujibur Rahman should have been the Prime Minister of Pakistan, entire Pakistan, which the Punjabis could not digest. So they cancelled the elections. From there the problem, language education begins, etc. They were imposing Urdu on Bangla. If you look at both the languages, Bangla and Urdu, Bangla is far superior language than the non-real language Urdu, because Urdu is non-real because it's fundamentally Hindi, written in Persian scripts with imported or stuffed Persian words into spoken language which nobody understands generally. Now, of course, they understand because they speak in that way. So Bengali is a language with much superior literature. Persian is a language with superior literature, but Persian is not Urdu. Just because you write the spoken language Hindi using the script of Persian, it doesn't become Persian. It doesn't inherit the richness of Persian language, because they have the history. The Persians had the history of getting world classics translated into Persian language long before. They translated many Sanskrit texts into their language. When they were Islamized through Omar, they have lost all those things for the time being, and someday in future they will regain. That's what I think. So, to break Bharat, so Pakistan thinks that it is because of Bharat Bangladesh has become Bangladesh. Actually, it is because of the Punjabi attitude towards others that Bangladesh came into existence in 1971. They requested our support, we supported. And that naturally we do, because Pakistan is no blood brother of us. They continuously, right from the beginning, had been hostile to Bharat. Their children were taught to hate Hindus. So why not? We will help Bangladesh. We thought one headache less, but then now one headache more. That's the result. That's because of their character. So that enmity, they want to take revenge by breaking Bharat into different parts, and they work towards it. They spent money, they have their intelligence directed in that direction, and all these people, they spent money, they spent time, they spent energy calculating, plotting, designing, spending a lot of money in creating disturbances and breaking Bharat. The border areas of Bharat, very recently, our government has told that 15 kilometers from border, all illegal construction should be demolished. Instructions are getting passed. Now, what is this actually? All the terrorist outfits, ISA operated radicals constructions are illegal. They will create something, they will create a small mosque there, that becomes a center of operation. And from there they operate. They spend money and get people to work towards disintegration of Bharat. They don't realize that they are wasting their time, because the coexistence of Bharat is based on an entirely different principle, which is beyond their comprehension. So I am not going into that. I spoke about it several times before. So this attempt goes on. Let them try. What else to do? They won't understand the structure of Bharat, the principle of coexistence of Bharat. That's not available to them. That's beyond their understanding. So this effort continues. It goes on and goes on. And with the present strong government, steps will be taken to strengthen the unity of Bharat, which of course is, though latent, very powerful, is strong enough. And these borders, from there they create these things, and they spend time, energy and money continuously. Some people, entire life they do such things. You just got a life for this earth and you spend it entirely for this kind of things and get zero results. At the end the results are zero. But still they are very hopeful, they try. One should be conscious about it. We should be aware that such things are happening. And when it comes to you, well, resist and spread this awareness to people who are near and dear to you, that there are efforts to disintegrate the nation. So it should be ideal if anyone finds traces of separatism in talks, resist it. Any trace of separatism, be it in the name of language, be it in the name of religion, be it in the name of anything, be it in the name of even climate, well, you resist it. Because don't entertain anybody's thoughts towards separatism. The separatism is very, very, very slimy thing. It can appear in any matter. It might start with films. It might start with songs. It might start with even language, literature. One should be careful. Citizens of Bharat should be careful about these things. We shall meet. Namaste. Jai Bharat, Jai Sri Ram.